play. The Discovery Club, bounce and learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club.
Why do we need to sleep every single night? Is it just because we're tired? Or is there something amazing going on while we snooze? All day long, our body works super hard. Jumping, running, thinking, talking, even growing. No wonder it needs a break. Even your brain gets tired. When you sleep, it organizes memories, like putting your day's learning into special brain folders. That's why after a good sleep, you remember things better. Your brain locks in learning while you dream away. Your body fixes itself at night, building muscles, healing cuts, and even helping you grow taller. Not getting enough sleep? You'll feel grumpy, slow, and maybe even forget your lunchbox. And then there are dreams. They're like little movies your brain plays while it sorts your thoughts. Did you know some animals sleep in super weird ways? Dolphins sleep with one eye open, and giraffes nap standing up. So, sleep helps your body grow, your brain remember, and gives you all the energy to explore a brand new day. Sweet dreams, little scientists. Subscribe to the Discovery Club for more fun science before bedtime.